Hello once again, everyone. Decided to do an unboxing for you this evening. As you can see, this package is from Canadian Tire. It's a air impact gun, a wrench if you want to call it, and just came in the mail today by Pure Later Courier. And I ordered it out of Cornerbrook. There was none in stock in Stephenville. And so, Cornerbrook is only about like 45 minutes away. Must be some paperwork here. Got it off camera. Okay, just some literature thanking me for the purchase. This is a DeWalt air impact wrench, as I said. We would like to just say thank you for shopping with us, Canadian Tire. Okay, thank you, Canadian Tire, for the thank you. Okay, so here we have the DeWalt DWMT 70773. Now it says here, DeWalt, there we go. It's a 1/2 inch, or 12.7 millimeter impact wrench, and 650 foot-pounds. Basically, when I did some research, I discovered that this is a good middle-of-the-road impact wrench, and it was little less than $200 Canadian. But the surprising thing was, I think DeWalt just makes one air impact gun, so it's one. You can't shop around, I don't think. Now there might be other models, but I just kept finding the same model over and over, and it had decent reviews. So here we have the packaging. Try to keep this on camera for you. The plastic bag. It's a bit heavier than what I thought it would be, but then again, I think it's about 6 pounds. Excuse me for a second. It's about 6 pounds, so it's you know, it's not heavy, it's not light, but it says it's you can use this with one hand pretty handily, and I think you're right. So anyway, not exactly sure what this is all about. We're going to find out. It doesn't move. Interesting. Can't get this to move. I don't know if it's supposed to move or what, but this is a forward and reverse switch here on either side. So this must be to control the actual amount of air. Low, higher, medium pressure. I'm going to do some reading on it. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, okay. We've got the adapter that goes in the tail end of it. Excellent. I wasn't sure if that was going to come with it. And we got some oil. As you know, air tools need to be oiled from time to time. So this is the oil. Looks like some kind of a 3M oil or a clear oil, and the fitting for the tail end of the gun. So anyway, got to do some reading now. It's just an unboxing. I may do a review of this gun, but I don't have a whole lot to be doing with it. I got to do. I'm going to be doing the rear brakes on my car out there. I did the front brakes, and never had too much trouble. Of course, I just using just regular tools, you know, breaker bars and stuff like that, and sockets. But when I went to do the back brakes, I discovered that I needed a specialty tool, which is, if you've never seen this before, this sort of contraption. I have to compress the rear caliper on my car whilst turning it. So I have to use this, put this in the caliper, and then use, I think it's number 6, I think this, or one of these here, will go in the other side of the caliper and twist it as I turn it in. So that's that's the rare brake change that I have to do on the Ford Focus, 2015 Ford Focus. And so anyway, I said, you know what? I got a compressor. It's a pretty big one. It's not a gargantuan one. And I said maybe I should start buying some air tools, because basically all I'm using my compressor for is for cleaning things out. You know, like the nozzle, and blowing up tires. So I'm going to start now on this little quest of picking up some air tools. So anyway, that's the DeWalt. And like I say, if anybody knows any more about these DeWalt tools, because it just seems to be like there's just one that they're making, and it's the DWM T70773 in all its glory. And got to figure this out. I can't move this. It's just not moving for me. I don't know. I'm going to take the pliers and move that. I'll have to do some reading. Maybe there's something locked in there. I don't know. Anyway, the DeWalt Air Impact Wrench. That was the unboxing. Look forward to maybe a review in the coming days. Thank you, and have a good evening. Just an addendum. I must have been doing it wrong. It turns just fine. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's fine. And this regulates the air pressure, low, medium, and high, of course. That's a no-brainer. I'll be doing some reading on this. Thanks for watching.